Alright, I charged Boxer already. Right? Yeah, we're gonna take a look. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the Boxer robot. I just charged the black one. So here you go. I'm using a different tripod, that's why I don't have much time. We got the black Boxer. Even it has a remote. Oh, it's going too fast. Even I could go slow. Oh. Alright, let's go back. Alright. You could disable the... Alright, I'm gonna play with those games right here. It's called... But we're not gonna play this. Alright, let's do the next one. Slingshot. Let's put it in the thing. Oh. We're trying to scan. Oh, it's on the wrong way. Oh. No, Boxer, stay. I'm gonna do this quickly. Alright, next one. Soccer. Let's put it in there. Well, my soccer, the soccer from Boxer, it's in my room. Alright. He only says goal already. Next one. Paddle bot. Let's see the music. Let's see. Go. Alright, let's do the next one. We did paddlebot and soccer. Alright, let's do the fifth one. Fifth one is bot bowling. It won't let me scan the card. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Although we don't have much time for bowling. Alright, next we have laser tank. Alright, laser tank is next. Alright, we did laser tank. Alright. Stun show. We did stunt show. Now let's do go-kart. He sounds like Novi. Oh. I'm gonna crash him. The boxer doesn't have a driver license. Alright, oh, wrong button. Alright, next one. DJ Bot. And the last car will be Dance Party. You know, we're not gonna listen to whole music. I don't know if it is copyrighted. Maybe not. Alright, last card. We don't know if we're gonna get the emote yet. I already made an announcement of the unboxing, but alright. Turn it off. And that'll be it. Alright, let's put this. Let's watch this funny part before we end the video. Hope you guys like it, Fluttershy.
Yeah.
And Elinor.
Yeah.